i-Easter lapha eZimbabwe kune-Easter. You'll be joking. Lapha.
There's no Easter.
There's no Easter. Siyibonela emaphepheni, ema-newspapers. How can you have an Easter yet you are starving? In the stomach, there is nothing. Njengami so sure.
How much do you make per day if you're like?
Yona lama $2-3.
And then what do you buy with that $2-3?
Yeah, can't see anything like this now.
No, that is right. So when are you complaining that as an old woman you lost your husband? Tell us more. What happened?
After that,
what happened? What happened to your husband?
My husband was sick, was brought up by some, I don't know what kind of a sickness. Wakile 1 year and ngasafana. Ngoba waqale sebenze wathi sibenza ngalo komdokotela wawuthiwa ngumona lokhethi seseyamakhiwa lapha.
So kathesi wena tshela abalaleli bakubukele kathesi emakhaya kuyini uhlupho ohlangana lalo kathesi zona kathesi
uhlupho lemali ngisokubhada yini
wenziwana amaphoyisa enzani uxoxela abantu bonke kade ukukhuluma
amaphoyisa lawa hayi amaphoyisa lami nangaye kuthiwa ngumuntu ucinda ugogo baloyo ngakusela pholisa ngangalwayo amaphoyisa ukuthi abangenzela zona it's strange babuya lama-things lapha uwothi into ufakela kade imali ngawa bengigijimisa abantu abangalagogo